We also have the ability to do takeoff with assemblies or groups of line items. Assemblies can be as detailed or as high level as we would like them to be. So now we'll select an assembly. We'll do our drywall. For example, we'll say just for example, we can change this at any time and say this is now going to building 2. We'll say we want to take this off as a line, and we can choose to change the color if we would like to. Now we'll go back in, and as we go to do our takeoff, we'll do the takeoff for our assembly. And as we're taking those line items off, it will continue to update the length of our assembly. Now for screen real estate, we'll close our WBS properties and now be able to make selections from our assembly. So down below, we'll see all of our assembly questions. Assemblies would be set up custom to you, so they can be as detailed or as high level as you would like them to be. We'll give this wall a height, select which stud size we'd like, and the number of rows, and their spacing. And as we answer questions, the line items will start to populate based on the formulas that we've given them in the database. So we'll take our 2 line items here and we'll give them a unit price. Then once we select Add to Estimate, they're now in our estimate as